Balducci, you see this? This is a tragedy.
Man,
Can you explain to us what happened?
Well, apparently the guy driving the truck was a little hammered when he loaded it.
What happened? What happened? What happened, Jeffro? Hold on. We back live at 5 with your boy, Richie. What happened, Richie?
Some kid ran up to the truck driver, pulled
Yeah.
out a gun, and he told him he wanted everything. Dude got scared, hit the button.
And yoked him? And this what happened?
Man,
I heard,
don't know.
I seen it with my good eye. Y'all motherfuckers stupid.
Sir, do you hear what these guys are talking about, sirs?
They all fired.
They all fired?
They all fired.
Even this nigga here? The nigga driving?
The young one or the older one?
The young one?
Yeah.
You ain't lying, huh? Jason, stay out of my Cheez-Its. Hey, carbon. No, hey, this is for my Bud Light commercial. Down for whatever. Bud Light. Oh, damn, that's crazy. That's sick. Uh-oh. Hey, it's Telemundo. Damn, nigga, that's fucked up. Sir, we heard there was a major accident here in Memphis. Can you explain to us what happened, Jay?
Mayweather tried to come in and pack the shut him down.
Oh!